Good day, everyone. Um, Thank you for coming into this YouTube channel, Trade Life with Precise Trader. Okay, this one, do take note of the risk disclosure. Day trading in foreign exchange is risky. Past results are not indicative of future returns. The content on this webinar is mainly educational purpose. Use your information entirely at your own risk, and you must assess your risk of your trade before you put in your trades. So, with that, I think we will proceed with our live trades. Okay, just before we move forward, we'll just want to see what was the what is the data that is out tonight. Okay, tonight there is not much of important data tonight. Okay, we have only this FOMC member speaks from the US at 2300 hours. So after that, I think we don't have any other data. Then let's see tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow we have Australian wage price index and US core CPI. Okay, that one is a very important data tomorrow. So most likely, I think the market is waiting for tomorrow's data, and we just have to see. And today it might be in a range, or it might be quite an choppy session. Okay, now with that, I think we will proceed with our live trades. Okay, as of now, I think we don't have any trades filled. In fact, gold had a very big move, which we were trying to short since yesterday. But unfortunately, I think we are very unfortunate we didn't get the move. That means, like, in fact, we were trying to sell at initially, I think about 70 plus, we couldn't get it. Then about 53, we couldn't get it. Then about 46, also we couldn't get it. And even today also we tried to sell at 21 half. Also, I think we didn't get it because I think we have missed almost like 3 4 times. And I mean, it was a very big move and a very big opportunity, but I think we are not fortunate to take that trade. Okay, anyway, we now we proceed with our trades, and all I want to tell you is, okay, have a proper plan. Okay, and have a proper approach, and keep doing it, you know consistently. I think the results will come in. So basically, what you need to know is, like, I think yesterday I was telling you, we need to have a TP. TP means trading plan, not take profit. So if we have a trading plan, and we just stick to the plan, and we go um, as per plan. I mean, of course, the plan should be alternate uh, views as well. So with that, I we will proceed with the live trades, and as of now, I think we are. Let me see. Okay, most of the markets are pretty quiet. Okay, only the gold has made a move, and right now this is caught in in a in a range. Okay, so here, okay, let's see. Okay, let's talk about a trading plan. Then I'll show you how to use the dashboard together with the trading plan. Then we will see how we can uh, be in this trade and go with this trade. Okay, let's start off with gold. Okay, okay, gold, if you look at it, your 360, 240, 360, in fact, even I think the monthly is also down. Okay, monthly is also down because I think already broke the low. So as of now, okay, your immediate time we are looking at is, this is 360, and this is 240. Let me put in this so at least will be easy for you to see. This is 720. Okay, daily. Okay, so here if you look into this, okay, right now we are showing, I mean we are seeing a down on all this time frame, and in fact I think it was flat on the hourly, and I think now is starting to break the low. So now we need to have a plan. Okay, we need to have a plan, and our plan should go with the dashboard. Okay, the trading plan should go with the dashboard. So here, just give me 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay, so here we we are seeing the gold. Okay, sorry, I'm not showing you the screen. Yeah, sorry. Okay, here we are seeing the gold in a down move on all time frames. So all time frames. So looks like, you know, the low is yet to be seen. The low is yet to be seen. So down is daily, weekly, monthly, and all. So I think we need to do a projection to see where is our target. Then at least then we can go with a plan. Okay, so now if let's say we'll take into weekly. Okay, it's already broke the 2605. So the next support, okay, the next support should be 2586 and 2547. Okay, this is your, we call it a naked support. That means what we can see on the screen we do, but of course we can do a projected support and resistance or target by projecting. So the next one would be, if let's assume, okay, this is also, since monthly is down, so we'll take this monthly extension. So we can see 2532 and 2472. So this is your next major support. So if you look into this, I think 2550, 2532 should be your final target. Okay, this should be your final target, or even lower, you know, we see 2480, that should be your maximum extension for this market. So now when we look into, we remember we need to have a trade plan. Okay, a trade plan is we try to go on as low as 360 or 120. So if I'm going to go for this 360, okay, I think we should have about 25. So between 25660 and 2535 and 2550. Okay, we'll put it as 2535, 2550, 2560 as our final target. Okay, so now if you ask me what is a trade plan, okay, we need to wholesale. Okay, we should not go for a buy until we see some stability in any 1 or 2 hours chart. That means, like a low is seen, then we see a bounce back, then we can go for a buy with that low as a stop. So as of now, I think the low is we have to see, and we are expecting the price to move lower. So we will stick to our plan. Okay, now if you ask me what is your trade plan, okay, basically my trade plan is, okay, I would call it a downtrend. Okay, downtrend, basically downtrend on the weekly. Okay, so that means, like we know that the price is going to go lower until end of the week, so we take that as a nearest thing. But as of now, if you take it immediate, it should be downtrend on the 360. Okay, on the 360. So if you take about 360 downtrend, that means this weakness should last for another 4 hours at least. So that means, we should not be buying, and buying, when I say buy, means buy and hold, and you can just go for a quick buy and exit. That would be another scenario. But overall is, if you are going to go for a buy, you got to wait for lower prices, or until another 4 hours. So maybe, if you want to buy, you can buy somewhere near 72 or 80, 83, 72, 83. Okay, of course we will look into the platform, in the system, then we will tell you. Okay, now coming back to this. Okay, now what I said was, okay, the trade plan should give you an answer to use it on the dashboard. Okay, what do I mean by that? Okay, that means if our trade plan, okay, if you ask me my trade plan, okay, there's two trade plans I use. That means one is down on the weekly. That means, I have to see where is the weekly support, then that would be your major support. But immediate is, I would say, down on the 360, down on the daily. So that means, what I'm trying to say is, we need to go into the daily dashboard and 360 dashboard and weekly, then we'll try to get the level of support. So what do I mean by that? Okay, let me share with you, just share with you. Okay, when we go into the dashboard, okay, this is gold. So when I say down on the 360, so right now the next support I see is 2585. That means, what this is telling us is, I should see the price touching 2685, and this should be happening within 4 hours. Okay, 4 hours. That means, this should be happening within 4 hours, and if I'm going to go for a buy, my target should be about 85, or if I'm going to go for a sell, then I got to look to try to sell slightly higher. Okay, then the next thing is, remember I told you the daily is also down. So the daily, if you look into the daily dashboard, all the three forces are pointing down, which means that there's a lot of weakness in this market. Okay, there's a lot of weakness in this market, and again, this is also telling you that 85, there is a support, then followed by the next is lower, maybe 70, 75. Okay, so that is a next support on this. So, okay, give me a minute. I think my okay, this thing hang. Okay, just okay, let me share another screen. Okay, let me share another screen. Just give me 1 minute. 1 minute, huh? hold on. I'm trying to log into another. Okay, so here, uh, let me show you the dashboard. Okay, so if you notice, okay, right now this market is trading at 2593. Okay, 2593. So we have all the three forces are pointing down, and which means to say that there is a lot of weakness in this market. So we should see the price going towards 2590 or 2585. So this should be your immediate support, and if it goes even further, then we may see the price going hitting 2575, 25 major, that means all the way down, all the way down. So we got to be very careful if we really want to trade this and be in the trade. So wholesale, and in fact, I would say wholesale, and if you're going for a buy, then you should be a cautious buy. You should be buying near 85 or even lower. So now that should be your plan. That should be your plan. So what I'm trying to tell you is, okay, I just repeat. Okay, you try to have a plan, and you try to uh, 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 integrate that with the dashboard, then we should get the same answer. See, just now the system says 85 is the target, 85 and 75. So if let's say I do a projection from the chart. Okay, let's say I do a projection from the chart. We should be okay. So here the chart projection is giving about 84 and 73 as our next support. So if we are going to go for a buy, then we try to look for a buy near that level, and if we are selling, then try to exit before that level. So this should be your plan. Alternate to this is, if let's say the market makes a low and starts to turn up, then we should have a benchmark level. That means, like I would be holding a sell as long as the price is below 2601 and 2606. So this should be your alternate plan. That means, as long as below 2601, 2606, I'll be holding for a sell, and my target is, I'm looking for a target of 85 or maybe 73. 73, that should be your immediate target. But even lower, maybe if you're holding for a few days, then you can expect even more. But as of now, I think these are the two targets that we can look for within a day. That means within today's low or high. So this should be your plan. So wholesale for gold, target in mind should be 85 and 72 or 73. Then we should be holding a sell below 2601 and 2606. Okay, this is what the chart is saying. So, but when I look into the system, okay, the system also should give you the same answer or somewhere near the answer. Okay, so the system says 26 below 2601, I'll be holding a sell, and below 26055 I will be holding a sell. Okay, so these two are correct. That means this chart and the system is giving me the same answer. And remember, 85 is one target, and the next target is about 73 half or 74. So now I think the system is also giving a similar, but of course if this level breaks, then we may see the price moving lower towards 2561. So overall we should be holding a sell, and every time when the price moves up, we try to go for a sell, hold, and until the price target is reached. And this is the view for gold. Okay, the next one, okay, let's see, we can look for any other opportunity. So now, when we look into euro dollar, okay, euro dollar, pound, okay, is all a sell. Okay, euro dollar is a sell, pound is a sell, except for dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen is a bit flat. Dollar Swiss is a buy, Aussie is a sell, dollar CAD is a buy, New Zealand is a sell, Sing dollar is a buy, and in fact the weekly we are also getting the signal from for euro dollar sell on the weekly, euro pound and dollar Swiss and dollar Sing. If you take monthly, all are giving the signals. All are giving. That means euro, pound, dollar yen is a buy, dollar Swiss, and the dollar CAD and dollar Sing. So I think the currency is also in a similar situation. Okay, this is also in a similar situation. So we should not be looking to buy euro dollar or pound until the target is reached. Okay, until the target is reached or the low is seen. So how far we can see? Of course, we can use for this week. Then we use the weekly. For if you are holding for a few weeks, then we got to use your monthly dashboard, and that's how you trade and play the game. So now, if we look into daily, let's say we look at daily. Okay, euro dollar right now, this is trading at 106. Okay, 10625. Okay, this is near the previous critical low, and what the system says is we should be holding a sell as long as this is below 10660, and 106 should break. 106 10580 breaks. If it breaks, then we can see a target of 530 or 505. And on the other hand, hold a sell. That means our plan. Now I'm talking about our trading plan. The sell, we should not see the price moving above 10660 and 10680. So that means that should be your benchmark level or guidance. That means as long as the price doesn't go above that level, I'm still holding a sell, and I need to see the price breaking 106.30, which has already broke, and in fact today's low is 106.15. So we expect the price to move lower, and 105.80 has to break, and if it breaks, then we should see the price moving towards 530 and 505. Okay, so that is the trading plan for euro dollar, and let's see whether we are getting the same answer. Okay, if you look into the chart, okay, the next major support is 106. So if 106 breaks, then we should see a extension towards 105.80 and 550. Okay, so 560 or even 495. So 500, 105. So that means the price is still a long way to go. Then also remember the to hold the sell, the benchmark should be the chart is saying 645 and 665 and 680. So these are the three levels of important levels for us to hold the sell. That means below 660 we still hold sell. Below I think you should be this low. Okay, this is which is 680.85. I think this is also is correct, and below 645 is this one. So overall is we still hold a sell, and we would see we need to see the 106 breaks and 580 break. So if these two levels breaks, then we can see a price target of 105.30 and 505, and this should be your trade plan. That means I enter a trade, wait for the break. If the break happens, then I continue to hold the trade. If it doesn't happen, then if let's say we get a pullback, then probably I got to close it, then I got to do a re-entry, and that's how you keep going on this trade. So this is for euro dollar. Okay, so now let's talk about pound. Okay, pound, we are seeing that today's high is lower than yesterday's high, and today's low is lower than yesterday's low, and right now the market is trading at 12815, which is trading near the SL1. So again, it's the same theory. We need to see the 128 breaks. If it breaks, then we may see price moving towards 127.85, 127.30 and 127.15. So these are the target levels for today. And on the other hand, the sell hold should be below 128, 35, 55 and 70. So these are the three levels. So as long as the price doesn't go above these levels, I think we can still hold sell and we can still go for a sell, and we need to see a break of 128. If we sees if we see this break, then we should see the price moving towards 785, 730 and 715. So this is for the pound. Okay, the same scenario, if we go into see the chart. Okay, this is also trading below the previous day low, which means weakness is expected, and our final target should be, for today 750 and 12700. Okay, and we also have 775 as one minus support. So overall is wholesale, expect the price to move lower, and we should be seeing our target, and the condition is we should not see the price moving above 55. Okay, early on I gave 35. 35 is somewhere here. So 35, we should not see the price moving above 35, 55 and 75, 80. So these are the three levels of referral levels we can use. So we shouldn't be seeing the price moving above this level. So wholesale with the condition that 1 to 8 must break. If it breaks, we should be seeing 1 to 785, 1 to 730 and 1 to 715. Okay, so this is for pound. Okay, now let's look into dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen current high 153, sorry, current high is 154.10, which is higher than previous day high, and current low 5340 is higher than previous day low. So higher highs and higher low. Okay, right now this is trading at 154.10. Okay, 154.10, which is above previous day high. So what is telling us is we should see the price target of 154.30, 154.55, and if this level breaks, then we may see the price heading towards 5490, 5520, 5550. Okay, so this is for yen. Then on the other hand, the critical level or the benchmark level, that means we should not see the price moving lower, is we should not see the price moving below 5360 and 5390. Okay, so these are the two levels of support we need to pay attention to. Okay, so 5440, 5475, yeah, I think we should be seeing about towards 155. Okay, so this is for dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen, we should be looking to hold buy. I would say I mean I'm not sure whether this should be um, a cautious buy uh, or just a strong buy, because the dollar yen looks a bit choppy compared to the other crosses. Okay, so the one we have to be a bit careful on this. Okay, now I think dollar Swiss, I think we don't want to touch because it's a bit not that movement. Then we may look at dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, I think, is heading towards 140.15. Okay, right now is 139.55. I think we should see the price breaking the previous high, and we should see the price heading towards 140.15. So hold buy, okay, because the dollar strength is overwhelming. Okay, overwhelming, and let's see where it goes and ends. And until then, I think it's best for us to stay in the direction of the market and move in the direction of the market. Okay, so I think we want to trade. Euro dollar would be a good bet. Pound would be a good bet. Dollar yen would be a cautious play. Dollar Swiss we don't want to touch. Dollar CAD should be a good bet. And Aussie dollar, the spread is, I mean, the high and low is 60 pips, and New Zealand is only about 40 pips. So Aussie and New Zealand, I think maybe we can ignore this. And Sing dollar might be next would be a good bet, because I think that one also is about 160 pips. So this is about 160 pips. So this is also is a viable trade. So try to play all this cautiously, and at the same time take the benchmark level as an indication. That means, as long as we see that price is not breaking that level, we still continue in the direction of the trend. Okay, so this should be your uh, gameplay for this for today. Okay, any questions or any markets you want to discuss? If not, then I'll see you again at 2100 hours. Okay, so if you have no questions, then once again, thank you for coming, and looking forward to see you again. And in fact, we have missed a couple of opportunities since yesterday. We have been trying to enter. All our trades are missed because of not able to enter, on the market, and we have been, like, last 2 days is a big huge miss. I would say it's a huge miss of opportunity. Okay. Uh, Anyway, I think this has to go on because it's part and parcel of the game, and we have to stick to our rules and plans. Okay, thank you. See you again tonight and tomorrow. Okay, but also to take note, tomorrow I think from onwards we are planning to start for 3 sessions. So we are going to have Asian, Europe, and US. So for those of you interested, you can just come and sign and just see if you need to. We want to discuss on any markets, we can discuss. And also, if you have any friends, also please refer, so at least uh, we can get this group getting bigger. Okay. Thank you and bye. Thanks. Bye.